Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Mathematics JEE. This is the seventh question of the paper 1 of JEE Advanced 2025. Okay, so it is saying let R denote the set of all real numbers. Okay, let Z1 equal to 1 plus 2i and Z2 equal to 3i be two complex numbers. Okay, so then let S equal to x comma y belongs to this R plus R. That means this is the 2D plane, right? Such that this is nothing but Z, this is nothing but Z, right? So this will be, if we write this Z minus Z1, this modulus equal to 2 times modulus of Z minus Z2, right? Then which of the following statements is oblique are true? Okay, so we have to find the equation in terms of this x and y, right? We have to find the equation in 2D plane. So let us find this. This is nothing but the equation of a circle, right? So this will be, if we square both sides, we get z minus z1 mod whole square equal to 4 times mod of z minus z2 whole square. Okay, so this will be z minus z1 mod whole square will be x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square, right? Equal to 4 times this will be x square plus y minus 3 whole square, right? So then it will be, the equation is, the set S will be x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 4x plus y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to, this will be 4x square plus 4y square minus 6 into 4, so 24y plus this will be 9 into 4, right? So this will be 36. That means we can write this as 3x square plus 3y square. Then we have, this is plus 2x minus 24y plus 4y, that means minus 20y plus this will be 31, right? Equal to 0. That means we have x square plus y square plus 2x by 3 minus 20 by 3 y plus 31 by 3 equal to 0, right? This is our equation of the circle S. Now what we have to find, let's check. S is a circle. Okay, this is in all of the options, so we have to check the center and the radius of this circle. Okay, that means if we check the center, center will be minus 1 by 3 comma 10 by 3, right? And radius of this circle will be under root 1 by 9 plus 100 by 9 minus 31 by 3. That means this becomes under root 101 minus this will be 93, right? So this will be root 8 divided by 3. That means 2 root 2 divided by 3. Okay. So center is minus 1 by 3 comma 10 by 3 and radius is 2 root 2 divided by 3. Okay. So option A will be correct and option D will be correct. Right. Now the question is, what will be this circle? Okay. Let us visualize this. This may be required in some further problems. Okay. So this type of circle is called the Apollonius circle. Okay, so that means if we, let's say, have two given points, this is z1 and z2, right? And this is the line joining them, right? And we have a point z such that z minus z1 divided by z minus z2 equal to, this modulus is equal to 2, right? So now we have this point z somewhere in this plane. Let's take this point somewhere here. Okay, now if we join the line z and z1 and z and z2, this will be line mod of z minus z1, this distance, right? This distance will be mod of z minus z2, and according to the question, this distance mod of z minus z1 is 2 times mod of z minus z2, right? So we can say this distance is going to be lesser than the other one, right? This is less, right? Z minus z2 is z minus z1 mod of z minus z2 is mod of z minus z1 divided by 2. So this is smaller, right? If we try to plot the circle will have the center towards the point whose distance from this point z, variable point z, is less. Okay, so we have this mod of z minus z2 smaller then this mod of z minus z1, that means the circle will look something like this. Okay, so circle will be like this, but the center of this circle will always lie on this straight line joining these two given points. Okay, z1 and z2, that means somewhere here. You can verify it. Okay, that this minus 1 by 3 comma 10 by 3 point, this point lies on the straight line joining this z1 and z2 points. Okay, but now let's analyze the other case. Okay, let's say we have here, instead of 2 we have half here. Okay, then what will be the case? Then this distance will be smaller, right? Because mod of z minus z1 will be half of mod of z minus z2. That means we have this z point somewhere here. Okay, such that these are the distances from these 2 points, z1 and z2, right? So we have in this case the circle like this. Okay, and the center of the circle again lies on the straight line joining these 2 points, z1 and z2. Although in this question we cannot eliminate options using this information, because both of these 2 points lie on this straight line joining these two given points. Okay, z1 and z2. So we cannot eliminate options, and that's why we can say we had to proceed by forming equations. Okay, so this is the geometrical representation of the situation that I wanted to show you. Okay, rest of the problem we can simply do by solving for the equation of the circle. That's it.